We are switching gears today and we're going to be working on the GT. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Fox Chamber. As you can see, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be installing drilled and slotted rotors. Yeah, I've been meaning to get some of those for a while, and I should have got them to begin with when I got the Brembos put on. But this is one reason I am getting them changed to the drilled and slotted. I think they're zinc coated also, so this is why I'm getting them changed. See all up in there? All that rust, untreated. Yeah, it just looks gross. Yeah, and I want to change it out. Put the drill and slotted on there where I think it's zinc coated, where it won't rust in the rain. At least that's what I'm hoping. And also, we're going to show you how to install them properly. There is a proper way to install these things, the right way and the wrong way, and we're going to show you that today. And if you don't have them on like this, they're on wrong. I'm telling you now. Now you get a better look at what I'm talking about. See, all of that red there. And it's visible from the outside, as you can see, or as you saw. So, and I just can't stand it. So I started to pull these off and maybe clean them up and coat them with some type of high temp, maybe black paint or silver paint or something like that. But I just went ahead and decided, you know what, I wanted some drilled and slotted. I'm gonna get some drilled and slotted. So let's get this brake off and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about and how to install these things the right way. There's a right way and a wrong way to install drilled and slotted rotors. You know, everybody wants to say something about the cut in the slots and the way the holes are drilled, but ultimately... Hey bro, you gonna show us the right way to do this thing or what? Huh? Yes, I'm gonna show you the right way to put them on. But ultimately, if you don't put them on right, it's gonna cause a heating problem and a debris and dust problem if you don't put them on right. So let me show you. The one that I took off, as you see, the veins that are in there, they're pretty much straight up and down. I don't know how good you can see that, but the veins, they're straight up and down. So these could be installed basically on either side. But on the drill and slotted that I got, as you can see, they're at a slight angle. I don't know how good the light's getting in there. My light's about to die. Sorry about that, but didn't charge it up. But see, they're at an angle. They're kind of going inward like that. Yeah, and that makes a big difference. Hey, is the drill and slotted, is that important to have them going in the right direction? Yeah, the drill and slotted holes, they are important, but not as important as the direction of those veins that are in the center of the disc. When you put the disc on, you want to have the veins pointing towards the rear of the car. You know, there's a lot of folks that say that. Yeah, some people say that these should be pointing towards the rear of the car. But if you have the veins that are going straight up and down, it doesn't matter which side you put them on. The veins in the center are the most important part of the cooling of these discs. These right here, they're very much secondary. Because if you don't have the vanes pointing in the right direction, it's not going to pull the heat and the dust and debris away from the brakes. And that's what you want. That's what helps cool these things, is those vanes in the center pulling the air and debris away from the brake pads. So when you're putting those on, that's exactly what you want to do. You want to have the vanes pointing towards the rear of the car.
Hey bro, hey bro. How do you know that you're doing this right?
Well, I know I'm right. I've done my research. Matter of fact, come here. Come here.
Whoa. Oh, my bad, my bad.
Yeah, I don't think you're gonna hear any more out of him. So let's get these things on and let's see how they look. That's one thing I do like about this Brembo swap that I did. 2 bolts, brakes are off. You know, on the old ones, you have to take the 2 bolts off to take the pads off, and the other 2 bolts off to take the housing off. And this right here, in 2 bolts, pads off. And I guess because it's a 4-piston. But that is how it looks. Yeah, and it does look a lot better. Like I said, I'll show you after I get the other side on, the whole package. Get back with you in a minute. Everything's put back together and sitting on the ground. And I must say, that's a nice look right there. Yeah, that's a nice look. And I know one thing, I'm still learning about the Fox bodies and stuff like that. There's still a lot of stuff I don't know, but this I definitely do know.
Challenge him, right? And make sure your people is there, because you might get embarrassed. Trust me.
So if you like that, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you get that fresh stuff when it comes out, and we'll see you later.